Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome back to more RC video reviews from my little man cave. I was actually reading the user manual for this TobyRich Smart Plane Pro FPV Plus, and all I could say, wow. And the more I read, the more I actually wanted to go out immediately and try this amazing little plane right here. Now, TobyRich makes some app-controlled RC planes or app-controlled planes, model planes, for you to fly and have fun with without actually buying some expensive hobby-grade radio control systems and stuff like that. So basically, with the TobyRich smart planes, you can use your smartphones and control and fly and have fun with those little model planes, which are basically a lot of fun to fly. In some cases they are actually addicting to fly. I have actually reviewed a couple of TobyRich planes in the past, and I was actually waiting for the TobyRich Smart Plane Pro FPV Plus to come out and get my hands on it, and I'm really happy that this is here. Now, once again, when I was reading the user manual, I could only say wow, because the features of these planes are simply incredible. You can actually experience flying FPV, first-person view plane, model plane, without having to invest in expensive hobby-grade radio control and equipment and FPV systems, video systems, video goggles, stuff like that. You just forget about it, because this plane comes with everything that you need to fly FPV and have fun and experience the first-person view flight. So all you need is your smartphone running that TobyRich app to control this Smart Plane Pro, and the rest of the things are all included. That is, plane and virtual reality FPV goggles are already included in the bundle. So all you need to do is charge the batteries, turn the plane on, connect your phone, put on the video goggles, and enjoy flying. Now, before we go unboxing, I know it's getting boring for me talking here. Before we go unboxing, let's just take a look at some of the features of this aircraft right here, which is really amazing. And I really like the way they have released this thing and they have made this thing for us. Number one, this is beginner friendly, so anyone can actually fly using a smartphone and enjoy FPV. Number two, because it's made for beginners, they have it in mind that beginners are gonna crash it a lot, and with an app control, that is a Bluetooth control, you don't have more than 100 meters range, so you might go out of range often and plane will glide down to somewhere, might have some crashes. You can even crash the plane straight into wall. That's what they did the testing with this plane, and that is why they said that the plane is made of duranim. Now that sounds like a new material to me, but it says right here, crash proof, made of duranim, a unique and almost indestructible material designed to withstand impact. Now that is something that beginners really need to fly this plane, because if you cannot destroy it, you cannot break it, you just go ahead, crash it as much as you want and keep flying. That is a kind of FPV plane that I would really want if I was a beginner. Now, to take care of flight, the plane actually comes with included intelligent smart sensors that take care of flight for you, so that you can enjoy focusing, steering the plane around, rather than trying and struggling to control it. So with all those built-in sensors, that means it has a built-in stabilization system that offers a couple of more stunt features for you as well. For instance, you can fly it in fixed wing mode, you can fly it in helicopter mode, where it will tilt its nose 45-degree up and fly slowly around. Good for flying indoors, inside buildings and rooms. But if you want to fly outdoors, you can switch to the airplane mode. It also has a hover mode where it will hover vertically, rotating at one axis like a helicopter or multi-rotor drone. How awesome it is. Not only that, the list of stunts doesn't just end here. It also has boost. That means for few seconds the plane will have additional speed to tackle the winds. It also have auto circling and auto loop features. That means you can simply perform those aerobatics while flying line of sight, or even when flying with the virtual reality goggles on, you can enjoy those stunts. Now, last but not least, you can also take pictures and record videos. That means when you're using virtual reality goggles, using a button, push of a button on your virtual reality goggle, you can take a snapshot of the image that you're watching, or you can record the whole footage like a DVR. That's what the user manual says, and we're gonna find out very, very soon. Enough said, let me bring the camera closer. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's take a look at the components that come inside the box. We will take a closer look at the plane, charge the batteries, bring it out, and give it a spin and see how much fun it can be to fly an FPV plane using your smartphone and the supplied virtual reality goggles. So right when you open the box, you read, "Hello, I'm your Smart Pro plane." That's a way of packing. It makes you feel like, yes, you have got something really awesome here. So this box has a battery stuck here, okay? And what else inside? User manual that shows you how to charge the battery. A spare propeller, kind of shell for the propeller top, and a USB dongle for you to charge the battery. Alright, check it out. This is the plane. We are now taking a closer look at it. The propeller's nose cone is actually a very soft plastic, so it will withstand all the impacts, even straight run into a wall or straight fall to the ground. Foam material, when I touch this, definitely feels different compared to the foamy planes that I'm using, and definitely this is something that is not easy to destroy. Down here you have your camera system, which I say is mounted at a very, very good location, because this will show you with a tilted angle downward, will show you the ground clearly, and it is protected by this longer part down here, and this is the whole shell is pretty strong to withstand crashes. On top here you have your battery bay, and on the tail this time you have rudder and elevator. Before we had only rudder on the TobyRich plane. So this is basically definitely a different type of plane right here. Coming to the next box, of course we are looking forward to the TobyRich virtual reality goggles. Alright. This does look like a 5.8 GHz diversity receiver video goggles, LCD based, that you can use it as LCD on a tripod standalone if you are, kind of feeling sick using it as a goggles, or you can simply use this part. Let me just put it in and just slide down, and you can turn it into FPV goggles. Now these does look like the Eachine VR007 or VR008, I believe, which were also the similar type of diversity goggles that you can actually use as goggles, or you could use as, standalone LCD. Just like this. You have certain buttons on top. That means you can record the stream. So this has a built-in kind of DVR in here to record your video stream. So you can take a picture or press and hold to record the video. You can change the channels. Okay, you can change the settings of your video goggles. There's a power switch. There's a TF card slot to record your videos, and auto search frequencies. So basically these are full-fledged 5.8 GHz video goggles with diversity receiver and a built-in DVR. How awesome it is. Now I have a different Now I have one more goggle that could actually record my videos, my flight videos, raw flight videos for me. So this is basically a very nice addition for this plane. And with a 5.8 GHz video, I love it because that video is live and clear stream, not like those Wi-Fi toys which are transmitting Wi-Fi video that often freezes even at 50 meters distance. So this having a 5.8 GHz race band, yes, I forgot to tell you, this has a video transmitter that uses 4 race band channels to transmit 5.8 GHz video down to your video goggles, and that is going to be fun. Alright, one more little box has antennas for your video goggles and a USB cable because it has a built-in battery, so don't forget to charge the video goggles before you actually use it. Alright, so I'm really excited and I can't wait to charge the batteries and get this baby out. Thank you very much for watching this lengthy video, and definitely TobyRich has done their homework very well to release this FPV combo, the Smart Plane Pro for smartphones, and give you an opportunity to experience and have fun with the first-person view flying using your smartphones only. No need to buy expensive hobby-grade radio control and FPV systems. Not only you can fly FPV, but you can also record and share your videos and pictures. Enjoy! I'm going to charge the batteries and I'm heading out. I can't wait. Oh, look how stable it is. And by tilting the phone, I can actually fly it. Man, this is amazingly stable. There you go, hovering. Man, this is like super duper. I don't know how many dupers I can add. It's really stable. And very easy to control. Straight into the grass. Oh! Straight into a tree. There is not a single scratch. You won't believe it. It went straight 100 meters probably and then lost signals, went into emergency landing into the river. For about 10 minutes, it's just floating in the river, and I'm walking by the shore, following it. And then there was a fisherman who kindly threw his line and fished it out for me. Amazing. And check this out. It is still working actually. And there you go. Video is also live. How awesome. And we can actually still fly it. Check this out. It's still flying. Oh man, what else do you want? How amazing it is. Superb. And I'm gonna do a roll, okay? There's a fart in the end as well. Oh, we are going to crash. Don't you simply love the TobyRich machines? They are built to last, man. Oh, I hit myself. The stability on this plane is amazing. It's amazingly stable. That you can actually have a lot of fun steering it around. You don't have to worry about flying it. Oh, look at that! Oh. Flying with the joystick is an absolute joy. See? That's what I'm talking. Gadget! They are built to last, these machines. Flying with those birds here. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.